Hi there. We have been preparing with great sense of anticipation for Easter. We're anticipating to go to the next level of our faith. We're expecting God to bless us. And we know during this time of Lent, which is a time of preparation, it's a time of examination, introspection, we are preparing ourselves for God's blessing. Last week we talked about seeking God first. And this week we're going to deal with our fears. The fears that prevents us from experiencing the best that God has got for us. Now we know they're natural fears that we should heed to because it helps us and protects us. But we're going to talk about those debilitating fears that stops us from dreaming and experiencing the best from God. So come this Sunday and listen as we prepare ourselves for God's blessing at Easter time. See you on Sunday.